Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We got Dr. Sonny Tuft here from Utah, Farmington, Utah, right?
Farmington, Utah.
And he has just completed and passed his final examination to become our newest team ring dinger doctor up in Farmington, Utah. And he's already got the table, he's getting it bolted down right now, so he'll be ready to start doing ring dingers on you right away, right?
Right away.
So
right
they can
away.
start scheduling appointments with you now.
Absolutely.
And how do they do that? What's the best way for them to do that?
Phone number is 801-451-6010. Also we'll be adding in the next day or two a way to do it online at cornerstonehealingutah.com. And you can schedule appointments right through that website.
Yeah. Well, he has just completed a pretty rigorous 3-day clinical seminar on the science, art, and philosophy of Johnson BioPhysics and ring dinger adjustments, and he's done all the protocols and the histories and exams to make sure that it's safe to do these procedures on you, which is the primary goal of what we do when we teach our doctors. We want to make sure it's safe but effective for the public, and they've met all that criteria. And he's getting ready to fly back to Utah, and he asked me if I could do one last full Johnson technique adjustment on him. I said, sure. So here it is. Okay, let's check your posture first. Let's go forward, backwards. Yeah, in neutral. Yeah, it's amazing how that hunchback went away in 3 days. So I did. Let's do the ring dinger first. They know me. They know I'm kidding. He had good posture coming in, but it's even better now. So this is what, your 5th or 6th ring dinger here
I believe, yeah.
this week? Put your legs up first. You know, I really applaud these doctors for coming in and putting up with me for 3 days, because I'm kind of rigorous on my protocols and history and exam stuff, and they paid attention and they've absorbed it. Go ahead and sign up just a little bit for me, please, Doc. A little bit more. There you go. There. Yes, sir. There we go. Yep. Okay, nice deep breath. There it is. Yes, sir. See, I've got calluses developing on the top of my head of that crest now. I've had them so many times.
I bet.
Oh boy. Yes, sir. Good job relaxing. He was a little concerned on his first ring dinger on Monday,
I was.
like a lot of patients are.
The biggest thing that I wasn't expecting was those pads. Those are the tightest. Those are way tight.
Got you in there locked in.
Yeah,
Locked
the
and
pull
loaded.
is great.
Secondary to it.
Those pads are like, wow, that really locks you in there.
Well, being a professional licensed chiropractor for what, 25 years you've been practicing? 20 years?
20 years.
How would you describe this procedure to other chiropractors who may be considering taking our seminar and having questions on the safety and efficacy of this technique?
Yeah, absolutely. I just like it that it's full spine, and not only full spine, but then you're doing extremes and everything. You're getting so much bombardment into the brain to reset the body.
That's right.
Just to take care of it and retrain the body, bring it back to homeostasis.
Right.
That it's amazing. It's amazing with experiencing it too.
Yeah.
A big difference from just watching a video, watching what's happening, and then actually feeling
To
it
get it
done.
done in real life.
Yeah, and actually feel the change.
Like that guy from New York flew in here. He's been watching us for over 5 years, but he said this was so much more
Absolutely.
effective and different than he ever could have imagined.
Yeah, and then seeing actual patients that coming in with the pain that they had.
Yeah.
Level 7 pain running down the leg, things like that, numbness.
Going to zeros and ones.
Going to zeros and ones.
Yeah.
It's just amazing.
And it happens,
quickly.
doesn't it?
It does.
I mean, those aren't just YouTube freakies.
And
that are
that's
on there.
that's what I like about the seminar. We're not just talking. We're not in a classroom theory, things like that.
Sit
And
behind
notes.
that.
We're with real patients, so
Right.
to actually see that. You can say that for one
Right.
thing, but actually see it. Real patients coming from New York, coming from Dallas,
Yeah.
coming from
California,
Louisiana,
San Antonio.
California, those types of things, and actually see their results right there from their own words.
And it's going to be even more fun when you're doing that.
Absolutely, excited.
Again, welcome to the team, my friend. Okay, let's do the BioPhysics on you now. If you want this, do you want
Oh
this?
yeah,
Okay.
I want full
The
thing.
full meal deal. I'm good at full meal deal, huh, Shiloh?
Yeah. Smothered and covered.
Yep. Legs are even. It's a good start. They stay even. Does that tighten up at all, Doc?
No,
That's great, isn't it? You see the difference on that objective
Yeah.
test for Monday too?
absolutely.
Cool stuff.
Which is, and I have a severe herniation in my L5S1, and so it's just amazing.
Yep. There. All right. This should actually feel even easier, but you tell me.
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
No tension whatsoever.
That's great. There we go. Okay, let's turn you in the back, please. Oh, glad we get that headpiece fixed.
Yeah, much better.
Mm-hmm. Yep, yeah, let's put both arms out. You know, patients are always surprised at how good this feels too.
Right.
Opening up that AC joint, and sternoclavicular joint, and costosternal joints. Brings a lot of relief to the upper thoracic and mid-thoracic
Actually opens
spine.
it up.
And it allows you to breathe
Breathing.
easier. Yep.
I've heard breathing's important. So.
Yep. There we go. Perfect. That's moving better too. Okay. Don't face this way, I'm sorry. I'm
Face.
behind you, yeah.
Oh,
You gotta get our view in here. There we go. There we go. Chiropractors always slamming me for, he does the same adjustment on everybody. What would you tell him now about why we do that?
well, it's about brain. It's about everything happens in the brain, and so you're getting that bombardment into the brain.
Right.
You're getting all those mechanoreceptors, proprioceptors
Right.
into the brain to reset the
Yeah.
neurology, reset the biomechanics,
Yeah.
reset
Everything, yeah.
It's
And just even getting your fingers adjusted feels better too.
yeah,
I mean, you feel some instant gratification for pretty much all these adjustments.
absolutely agree.
Pretty cool. Well, thank you for being here this week and welcome to Team Ring Deer.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Farmington, Utah, newest Team Ring Digger doctor, Dr. Sonny Tuft. Make an appointment with him.
801-451-6010 or cornerstonehealingutah.com.
And then he'll see you soon for a ring digger, and we'll still see you soon for another ring digger too. See y'all soon.